In this Algebra 2 video, we're going to be looking at numbers 24, 25, and 26, which all have to do with solving some type of log equation. And so this is part of concept 21. And in the first one I'm looking at, number 24, we have a log without a base, there's no base written, of 4x equals 3. And remember that when there's no base written, we assume it's a 10, it's a base of 10. It's like the calculator. When there's no base there, we use a 10 instead. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this to exponential form. So this will become the base of 10 raised to this power of 3 equals 4x. That's the hard part. It's just being able to switch out of log form to write that equation. Then it's working it all out from there. 10 to the third is not 30. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000 equals 4x. And then you're dividing by the 4, which will give you 250 as the solution for number 24. For number 25, and you're going to notice this also in number 26, same idea. We're going to exponential form. This time on 25, they give us a base. So we have the log of base 7 of x cubed over x equals 2. So we're going to start by going to exponential form like last time. 7 squared, 7 to this power, equals all of this x cubed over x. Now when I start to simplify, 7 squared is 49. Here, x cubed divided by x, remember when you have like bases and you're dividing, you can subtract exponents. 3 minus 1 gives us 2, so we have x squared. And now I'm just taking the square root of both sides to solve, which gives me two solutions, 7 and negative 7. Sometimes you can write it like plus or minus 7. You've probably seen it like that more often. But there's both solutions, positive 7, negative 7. 26 starts a little bit like 24. The log with no base, remember what base is that? 10. Of all of this equals 1. So again, I'm going to rewrite it in exponential form. Becomes 10 to the first equals x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. Now you have an option here because we know that 10 to the first is just 10. So I could put this over 1 and cross multiply. However, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to factor this because I noticed that this is a difference of two squares. Just x squared, 9. I can take the square root of each one, which means this becomes x plus 3 and x minus 3. And the reason I did that is because we noticed that on the denominator, I'm going to cross that off because I'm done with it now. Now in the denominator, I can cancel those two. It leaves me with 10 to the first, or just 10. And now the only thing left here is the x plus 3. And now the last step, real simple, subtract 3. So my solution for number 26 is 7.